The BIR has until February 19 to find out if Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno paid the right taxes as government counsel in the Piatco case. The House Justice Committee has directed the Revenue Office to look into Sereno's earnings and tax submissions on the matter in connection with the impeachment case filed against the Chief Magistrate at the lower chamber. Other details on today's impeachment hearing from Marita Muahe.
The controversial IT expert hired by the Supreme Court with a salary of $250,000 a month attended today's impeachment hearing against Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. Ms. Helen Makasait says before working for the SC, she was also hired by the GSIS and was receiving a salary of 913,000 pesos per month or 10 million pesos a year. At SSS, where she was hired as principal consultant, her salary was in dollars. Therefore, her salary at the SC is nothing compared to what she was receiving from her previous jobs.
In the Supreme Court, the 250,000, you take out all the taxes, excluding all those personal expenses which are related to performing my work, I would be getting more or less a net of 80,000 pesos. Which I think I should need to buy my makeup and sometimes to buy my pair of shoes.
The Management Information Systems Office clarified they did not recommend the hiring of an IT consultant and that they have nothing to do with the hiring of Makasait. Attorney Carlos Garay also served as an IT consultant at the SC in 2015 with a salary of 30,000 pesos per month. He is now receiving 114,000 pesos a month as acting MISO chief. Personally, Garay do not see the importance of hiring Makasait at the SC.
In fact, I repeatedly protested personally to Attorney Mike and to the Chief Justice on why there's a continuing need for the consultant. But they said that the consultant is needed. So, in fact, I tendered my resignation last year, June 13, 2016, because there's a red flag for me as a lawyer with regards to what's going on.
He was also insulted when he learned of Makasait's salary as an IT expert himself and a lawyer as well. In the deliberation, it came out that the Bids and Awards Committee has two other names for an IT expert, but they chose Makasait upon the recommendation of Sereno's Chief of Staff, Attorney Maria Lourdes Oliveros. Oliveros explained she did submit the CV of Makasait, but she says she cannot influence Sereno. Garay says based on MISO record and its present status, no substantial outcome came out from SC's engagement of Makasait. Meanwhile, Sereno's non-filing of SALN during her years at the University of the Philippines is not an impeachable offense, according to her spokesperson, Attorney Josa Diinla.
Malinaw na itong issue na ito, yung allegedly non-filing of SALNs, at the time when she was UP professor, ay nangyari bago siya ay maging miyembro ng Korte Suprema, bago siya hirangin na Associate Justice ng Supreme Court. Therefore, not impeachable. No?
She added UP did not say that Sereno did not file her SALN and that it is also possible that UP lost their copy of Sereno's SALN. Meanwhile, the Committee on Justice ordered the BIR to form an investigating team to look at Sereno's tax payments and revenues from 2004 up to 2010. They gave the BIR until February 19 to submit the result of their investigation. Marita Muahe for The Nation.